how to set the calendar to display Reminders view on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key at the top. And from the pop-out, you want to go down and tap on Reminders. In here, you'll be able to view your reminders. Now you can tap on All Reminders, and it will display all the reminders, or it will display the reminders for a particular day. So you can select a day to display your reminders for that day. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.